Hey Gina, so this is by far the most intense we've seen it right here in Morgan City. I've been out here for hours. The wind picking up, clearly the rain getting stronger and stronger by the minute. We've been watching this flag up here. It's kind of sad to see the American flag and the Louisiana state flag deteriorating up here because the winds out here are just so bad. Again, we've been out here all day for hours. We should also point out, guys, that the Louisiana National Guard is out here. There's more than 100 guardsmen. They are packing out the town, making sure everyone is safe as they are expecting the weather out here to obviously get extremely dangerous. They do have about, like I mentioned, about 100 guardsmen. Some of them are actually standing not too far from where we are at this moment. They have high water vehicles, they have boats ready to respond. The major issue out here, obviously, is the intense and powerful winds. I'm told they could get as high as 100 miles per hour. Power outages, also a major concern. We should point out Morgan City does have a curfew. I spoke with the mayor today. He told me he's asking everybody to stay off the roads at this time because, as you can tell, the rain, it's getting stronger and stronger by the minute. The winds are picking up. Again, there is a curfew until 6 a.m. National Guard is out here. They've got about 100 guardsmen ready to go when it comes to high water rescue, high water vehicles. They're ready for rescues if needed. The wind gets bigger and stronger. We've actually heard some sirens kind of in the area, not too far from where we are. Hopefully everyone is okay, but clearly since we've been out here, it continues to get stronger and stronger. When it comes to the winds. Again, the wind gusts could get as high as 100 miles per hour from when I spoke with the National Guard and the mayor. We will keep you posted on these developing conditions. But again, there is a curfew until 6 a.m. I'll keep you posted out here in Morgan City, guys.